चलिए हो गया.
Ma'am, this side also.
चलो okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you.
Excited you guys are.
So excited. I'm just here for her because she wanted to watch it.
Okay, so all the best. How much excited you guys are?
So excited.
You guys are excited for the movie.
We are so excited for the film. Yep.
Sure. Thank you. Hello ma'am, how are you? Okay guys, how was the movie?
Oh, it was lovely.
Okay, what about you ma'am?
I really don't like it.
How was the movie?
Amazing, really emotional.
The character has been played by what about the characters being played by the actors?
Really good, in-depth characters, amazing writing, and very gorgeous takes.
So out of 5, how much rating you love to give for the movie?
I think a 4.
4. Okay guys, how was the movie?
Overall, super. I loved it.
What are the miles and Turner? If you have an option, what are you going to choose?
Oh, I choose Larry. Larry is the one.
That is the one.
Miles, yeah.
Miles, basically. So, how the movies made, the stories of the script? Did you like it?
Yeah, it's a really, really cool plot. The premise really hooks you. And I think they did romance really well. After such a long time, love like this, oh my god, bring it back. Absolutely.
What about the end conclusion about the woman puzzles, about her husband and about both her husband, future husband and present husband?
I would say she made the correct choice.
Correct
the
choice.
Person that she went to. Because she also chose herself first, which was a good choice, and then eventually to her true love.
So, did you think the script is very justified?
Yeah, I really like it. I do think so.
So, out of 5, how much rating you love to give?
Out of 10?
Out of 5 or 10, whatever.
Out of 5, it's a good show. Yeah, it's a 3.54.
3.5. Okay, thank you. Sir, how was the movie, sir?
It was really nice, very sweet, it's a very feel-good movie and I definitely enjoyed it very much.
So we are the guys. So for the women for being confusion.
Sorry, say that again?
As the guys, there were 2 guys. Like for the women, it was confusion. If you were a part of that thing, so what would your decision would be?
I can barely hear you. Tell me again what you said.
So what would be your decision?
What would my decision be?
Yeah.
Well, the decision was made by the woman, and what I thought at the end, the final decision that she makes is the right one. I'm very happy that they ended up together, and I thought, like I said, it was just a really, really nice movie. I want to come and watch it again with my wife very soon.
So out of 5, how much rating you love to give?
I'll happily give it a 4, solid 4, and I think when I watch it again, it'll probably be 5.
Probably 5. Do you think that after the marriage life, the love grows, or in the beginning?
It's a very different kind of a thing. It's not the exciting sparks flying in the air kind of a love. It's a more mature love which grows over time, and if you've got the right person, it's just beautiful.
Thank you, sir. You guys have seen the movie. How's the movie?
Amazing. It was really good.
So, ma'am, if you were the choices were made past husband and present husband. So, what would be your decision? Like ex-boyfriend and a present boyfriend.
No, present boyfriend.
Present boyfriend.
What kind of question?
What a crazy
Yeah, I would hope I would choose the present boyfriend, not the ex-boyfriend. Yeah.
Okay, do you think that love grows after the marriage or before the marriage? In this, there are two characters. One was before the marriage and one was after the marriage. Both were the marriage. Means after the marriage she had. So
Love just grows.
love just grows. Needs a time, yeah. Okay, so out of how much rating you guys love to give?
Like 10 on 10.
So any favorite scenes that you loved it?
I think there were a lot of very, very great scenes.
Yeah, I feel like A24 killed it.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Okay. Thank you,
A
ma'am.
lot of really cool.
You saw the movie. How do you like the movie?
I loved it. It was so good. It was a really nice storyline, something you've never seen before. You don't see it often, and the anticipation and suspense was crazy.
One minute.
I loved it. I 10 out of 10 recommend. It was so fun. The anticipation, the suspense, the love story, the plot. It was amazing. The love story. I was not distracted for a second.
Milers and a character. Among both two guys, which one was the favorite?
It's hard to choose, but okay, I like Luke, but
If you guys were in that part, if you have the option of beauty or like present husband and past husband, so what would be your?
I would pick love.
I would have picked Luke though, because I didn't have that time with him. So I
So
would
that
have
you can tell we're sisters.
yeah, because we have different times. But yeah, I would,
You can take it as a past boyfriend and a present boyfriend.
I would take the past. She would take the present.
Present. Okay.
But actually,
So any booms, like any scenes or emotions where you felt like something in the movie?
where she picked herself when she was on the train to Paris, I was like, okay, yeah, go girl.
She made a decision with a lesbian friend.
Yeah, when she left for herself, like when she went.
I loved when she escaped. The suspense was
Oh, yeah, and that.
She escaped through the red door. That was my favorite part.
Yeah, and when she came back for Larry.
When she get back to her. So out of her, how much rating you love to give, guys?
5 out of 5.
Five.
Loved it.
Out of 10.
Sorry. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Did you recommend any of your friends to watch this movie?
Everybody, yeah.
Watch it now, today.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to our channel. Okay,
Just think of
seeing the movie. How was the movie first thing? Tell me.
it was absolutely very emotional. It was a great movie. I mean, बहुत कम ऐसे movies आ रहे हैं आजकल जो बहुत अच्छे हैं. And this was one of the best movies.
One of the best ones. If you were playing that character role of that lady, and you imagine you're dealing with both the husband, one is passed away, one is the present. So, what made decision you would be made?
So I would definitely stay with somebody who I was there in the present life and not with the person that I was in the past life. Obviously, I did not get the time and the energy, to connect with the past one. But yes, current mein jo hai, I would definitely give it a chance to the current one only.
Or would you love to go to carry on with it? You want to grow old with your husband?
Yeah, definitely.
And the same memories.
Definitely, same memories, staying with somebody for years.
Growing old with your husband.
Definitely.
Okay. So, out of 5, how much rating you love to give for this movie?
The rating.
Yeah, out of 5.
It's out of 5 or out of 10?
Out of 5, 10, whatever.
Yeah, it's 10 on 10.
Any scenes, any in the movie where you felt like emotion connected, any booms, bumps?
The most emotional scene that I actually felt during the movie was when when he was waiting for her. जब भी वो scene था when he was actually waiting for her और जब उसे realize हुआ and he went to her saying कि तुम तुम्हारे पास के पास वापस आओ.
What about the two dead character, dead assassins? Those two character, one fat lady and one gypsy kind of.
The fat lady was very she was not the neighbor one, जो दूसरी थी, she was really very amazing. She was very a fun character that I really
Helping out, yeah.
Yeah.
So, thank you, ma'am. Seen the movie. So, how was the movie for you?
It was very emotional for me. I literally had tears in my eyes after watching it. It was very emotional, very loving, very cute, very romantic.
One is the guy when you were the young, and the second character you're growing old with and you're dying with them. So if you were in that scene, what you would do? Either you choosing yourself or with going with any of these?
I think a girl should find her own way, her own path, and then she should decide whether she wants to be alone and enjoy the life, and whether she wants to spend with a partner. If I were a girl, I'll say that I'm probably gonna spend my time with my partner, with my love partner, because
I don't want to be alone, honestly. And nobody wants to stay alone. But there are a lot of people who say, I'll choose myself, I'll explore and everything. But for me, I think I'll choose my partner to spend my eternity with. I'll tell you that.
So, do you think it's for the even for the guys for making it difficult? There was a scene where he left his.
Yes. But that's very, I think if you love someone, वो बोलते ना आप किसी को प्यार करते हो
हाँ,
सबसे ज़्यादा
उनको जाने दो।
उनको जाने दो,
पलट के आएंगे।
पलट के आएंगे तो पलट के ही आएंगे।
आज मेरा है तो मेरा ही है। That's it.
मेरा है तो मेरा है तो they will the person will realize it after a point that if it's meant to be, बोलते ना if it's meant to be.
Yeah, physically you are standing there, mentally you somewhere else.
Yes.
It's just like that. Yeah.
It's just like a circle moment. Like.
So do you think the script of the movie is justified and the character has been played?
Yes. I think it's a very cute.
What about two comedy package were there?
Oh, comedy. I think I love those two, like the AC.
हाँ.
उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा रोल किया है. The girl was fantastic. I think.
The fat lady.
The fat lady. Yes, it was very good. It was very good.
Very good. So out of 5, how much rating you love to give, man?
100.
Full out of 100. Okay. Do you wish to recommend the people to come and watch the movie?
Yes, please do come and watch this movie Eternity. It's gonna release on 28th of November. So please do watch it.
Thank you. Channel. You just have seen the movie. So female take के तो सबके बता दिए emotion. If you are the guy, you are letting your girls to go with someone else जो मरा हुआ है पहले से उसका ex husband. So what's the emotion for the guy? Very hard or easy it is to let go. कैसे emotion लगे to let your girls to go with some other guy? कैसा लग रहा था तभी?
अरे जीते जी अगर आप किसी के साथ तो मरने के बाद पता चलो किसी और की है।
हाँ।
तो
आप अपनी बंडी को सौंप रहे हो उसके एक्स हस्बैंड के साथ कैसा लगेगा?
एक सॉफ्टवेयर कहते हैं उसका राइट है।
हाँ।
तो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट।
इज इट पॉसिबल आप कर सकते हो?
बिल्कुल।
वो तो इवेंचुअली पता चलेगा।
करेंगे यार। बस दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए। कोई और मिल जाए मैं तो छोड़ देंगे।
अच्छा कोई और मिल जाए तो छोड़ देंगे। सो हाउ फॉर द मेन फॉर द गाइस ट्रिप कैसे लगी? एज अ गाइस फीमेल के तो बहुत इमोशंस मिल गए एज अ मेंस इमोशंस मुझे जानना है।
स्क्रिप्ट बहुत प्यारी है बहुत प्यारी।
Script
Very
very.
sweet film. Very sweet.
So what about the characters being played by all that comedy packages also there, 2 of the comedy package.
The
उनके कैसे?
turmoil that she has gone through in the entire film.
The balancing,
This
emotional balance, this and everything.
More than for the guy, it's tough for her to choose.
Yeah.
Because I think इधर खाए उधर कुआ जैसा सिचुएशन था।
आप किस हद तक लड़ोगे अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए बता दो या वाइफ के लिए?
Eternity तक.
First eternity.
Eternity.
जब तक मरेंगे नहीं तब तक। और उसके बाद
Okay, out of 5 how much rating you love to give?
how much?
Out of 5 how much rating you love to give for the movie?
7.
7. 2 ज़्यादा?
4.7.
Okay, thank you. I've seen the movie. The 2 men's character has been played in the movie. So, if you like part 1, a dead man, so how you feel that emotions connected?
Come again?
If you are the dead man, the first husband, so is it connected to you?
I would rather choose to, live the. For example, in the movie, it is shown like to live a particular memories. I want to live that in a loop. So, for example, if there's a happy moment in that scene where she is the time he proposed her. So, instead of showing like a picture, a small, memory, they can get a chance to relive that moment again and again in a loop. So I would love to do that.
For the guys, how tough, difficult is to make a decision? For the guys, if you have to make a decision, your ex.
Placing myself instead of in the place of Elizabeth Olsen.
Because it's a guy emotions too, yeah.
Yeah, it's very tough.
It's a very tough.
One girl, 2 lovers. So I can imagine like one guy, 2 lovers, like being in heaven.
Okay, so out of 5, how much rating you love to give?
3.5.
3.5. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Now I would not remember since you have asked me. Yes.
Midsommar. Okay.
Yes,
So we'll get back to
Midsommar
you.
as well, yes.
So we'll get back to this movie. Simple question. Who would Sania Malhotra choose? Luke or Larry?
Yeah, I would
You
choose
would choose.
myself.
You would choose. That's a very nice answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eternity, new life, new me.
Past husband or present husband, none of them. Both are rejected.
Nah, I would choose myself.
That's a very
This
perfect
life
answer.
or afterlife. I always choose myself.
Okay. And what would you like to tell the people who are about to watch this? What can they expect from this?
It's a slice of afterlife. It will make you happy. It will make you really emotional. And it's just the perfect one. Something that you would really enjoy.
Okay, that's a real difficult question. What does eternity mean to you?
Forever and ever, and that's me.
Okay, and how
Love
many?
for myself. Stop it, son.